Hey there, tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Well, what if I told you that you can start making real money in 2025 without spending a single dollar up front? I'm Khalid, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 legit, proven ways to make money from home with zero investment. These aren't scams or shady shortcuts, just smart, real opportunities that are working right now in 2025. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Freelancing. Got a skill like writing, video editing, graphic design, or voiceover? There are thousands of clients worldwide looking for exactly what you offer. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you start for free. You don't need to be an expert, just be consistent, deliver on time, and learn as you go. Pro tip, use YouTube to learn any skill for free. Then turn that into dollars. Content creation. Think content creation is only for influencers? Think again. You can start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or Instagram Reels page around anything. Cooking, tech reviews, personal finance, story time, you name it. The best part? You don't need fancy equipment. Your phone and a good idea are more than enough. Monetize through ad revenue, brand deals, affiliate links, and yes, even digital products. Blogging or writing on Medium. If you're more of a writer than a talker, blogging is your game. You can start your own blog on Blogger or WordPress, or write on Medium, which actually pays you based on how many people read your content. Topics like side hustles, mindset, productivity, or even life stories can go viral. Write from your heart, stay consistent, and you could build a loyal reader base. Number 4, online tutoring. If you're good at English, math, science, or even just helping people understand things, you can start tutoring online. Websites like Preply, Cambly, or Superprof let you teach students globally. No degree required for many of them, just good communication skills. You can set your own schedule, charge your own rate, and build your own mini education business. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most underrated ways to make money online. You recommend products you already love and get paid every time someone buys through your link. Use platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digistore24. Share links through YouTube, blogs, Instagram, or even Pinterest. There's no product to create, no customer service to handle. Just promote and earn. Number 6, selling digital products. Digital products are the ultimate passive income stream. You can create ebooks, Notion templates, resume designs, or Canva social media kits. Once made, you sell them over and over again using platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. Spend a weekend building them and earn income for months or even years. 7. Print on demand. Want to sell t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or tote bags without owning inventory? Welcome to Print on Demand. Just upload your designs to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful, and they handle everything: printing, shipping, even customer service. All you do is create and market. Every sale earns you profit with no upfront cost. 8. Voiceover work. Have a great voice? You can earn by offering voiceover services to YouTubers, brands, or audiobook creators. Fiverr and Voices.com are full of voiceover gigs. You can get started with just a smartphone and free editing tools like Audacity. Whether you've got a calm, energetic, deep, or animated voice, there's a niche for you. 9. Social media management. Small businesses are dying to grow online, but most of them don't have time to post consistently. That's where you come in. Learn how to create content using Canva, schedule posts using Buffer or MetaSuite, and write engaging captions. Offer your services on LinkedIn or Facebook groups. Start with one client and scale up from there. 10. Paid surveys and online reviews. Okay, this won't make you rich, but it's great for extra cash. Websites like Swagbucks, iSense, and Inbox Dollars pay you for answering surveys, watching videos, or writing product reviews. It's super easy, doesn't require skills, and perfect for students or stay-at-home parents looking for a few extra bucks. Here's the truth. You don't need to be rich to start, you just need internet time and the right mindset. 2025 can be your breakthrough year, but only if you stop scrolling and start building. So, which idea are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, I'd love to help you out. If this video gave you value, please like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more content that helps you grow financially and personally. Until next time, keep learning, keep hustling, and never give up. Peace out.